Hi guys, welcome to another video, and if you're new to my channel and like my videos, please subscribe, like for more content. In today's video, I will be making mielie cake. I am using 4 fresh mielies. For some of you who don't know how to clean mielies, let me just show you 2 of them. It's best to always use fresh mielies. Once the kernels are sliced, then I'll rinse them and use a food processor. Also, I won't be using milk in this recipe. The liquid will come from the mielies once it's processed. Make sure everything is out from the mielie so they don't go into the food processor. Using a knife, I will slice out the kernels of the cob. You want to also hold the cob firmly when cutting through the mielies. You also want to be careful when you're doing this. As you can see, I have to use a deep dish because that didn't work out. Okay, the mielies are ready to go into the food processor. I will grind this until I form a paste. If you prefer some texture to your mielie cake, I would suggest to stop in between the grinding process to check the desired texture. Using a silicone spatula to bring mielies together. The consistency is quite fine already, which I would prefer because it gives the cake a nice moist and fluffy texture. Okay, so now I'm adding 1 cup self-raising flour, served with 2 teaspoons baking powder, a sprinkle of fine salt. I am using Himalayan salt. Half cup of sugar. A dash of egg yellow for color. If you don't want your millie cake to be too sweet, I would suggest you use about 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix the ingredients together. Next, I'm adding 5 tablespoons butter, which is room temperature. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And the main ingredient, the mielies. Mix everything together, but be careful not to overmix. Your mixture should be creamy, smooth, and lump-free. I'm using a non-stick round baking pan, which should be best for this cake. preheated oven, the cake will bake for about 45 to 50 minutes or until cake is golden brown on top. Okay, the cake is ready now. While the Mielie cake is hot and straight out of the oven, I made a honey butter glaze, 3 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons honey heated together. Brush the glaze evenly to keep in the moisture. As you can see, the cake is nice and golden. After it's cooled down, then I will remove it. I'll now add some edible flowers to make it pretty. I hope you all tried this recipe and impress your loved ones. Now we can cut into the cake. We are looking for a fluffy and moist cake. A cup of tea and a spread of butter on this would be great also. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video.